Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove keywords from the comments filter on Instagram using your PC. Instagram has recently updated its features, making it simpler to manage your comment section and keep it free from unwanted spam or negativity. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look for the More icon located in the left side menu. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your layout. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Hidden Words. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage what words or phrases you want to filter out from your comments. Now, click on Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Here, you'll see a box where you can input any keywords that you wish to remove from your comments section. If there are specific words that have been bothering you, perhaps spammy phrases or offensive terms, this is where you can take action. In the box provided, simply remove the keywords that you no longer want filtered out. You can delete them one by one or clear out multiple keywords at once if needed. Once you've made your changes, make sure to click Submit to save your adjustments. This step is essential. Otherwise, your changes won't take effect. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed unwanted keywords from Instagram's comments filter on your PC. This not only helps in maintaining a positive environment on your posts, but also enhances user interaction by allowing genuine comments through. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media effectively. See you in the next video.